Well, in this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step and the steps you need to take to get yourself to a 5-figure per month income with a super simple program. One program can get you to 5 figures. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to tell you some of the things we got going on. I'm going to roll this video and we'll talk about it on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Make sure we hit the notification bell, like the video, and again, tap the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Consider subscribing to the channel. This channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Happy day to you on today. And great things happen. I want to appreciate all of you that have partnered throughout the weekend on several of these programs. And I tell you what, every day we go, every day that we live, we see that these programs are growing. I'm getting signups in multiple programs every single day, and I could not be more excited. And how are we doing it? Taking massive action. Massive action produces massive results, and we've got some good stuff for you today. Again, make sure you like the video. When you get a chance, come to the YouTube channel, see the things that I've got going on. What I am stressing is multiple streams of income. I'm telling you, when you have multiple streams of income, folks, that's a winning formula. And when you market instant pay programs, big ticket, middle ticket programs on the front side, and on the back side, you're going to market residual income programs and grow them out to 5 figures per month, folks, that is a winning formula. You know, the residual programs, you're not going to get rich overnight. But when you have programs like the Residual Income 100, that thing is just absolutely on a tear to the upside. It just started a week or two ago, and signups are coming in on the Residual Income one. Check out that video. VIP is incredible. American Bill Money, folks. Y'all know that's my favorite one. The number one residual income. I'm growing that thing, folks, well into 4 figures deep every single month. Headed towards 10K per month in that program. Of course, let me say as an income disclaimer, in any of these programs, in life, nothing happens until you take all out action and to produce the results. But residual income on the back end, folks. This is go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay. Folks, the hardest part of my day is finding out what I want to do after, 11, 12 p.m. in the afternoon. The whole day belongs to me every day to the week. And anybody can do it. Can you mail a flyer? Can you mail a postcard? Simple strategy. You don't have to be a TikToker or YouTuber, but you take action with a simple system and or systems. All of it will work into one. Folks, this is exciting. 25 is going to be absolutely astounding. If you plug in now, we're going to show you, we're going to talk about wealth step by step in this video. Tomorrow I'll be talking about, American Bill Money. We have our conference calls for American Bill Money every every first, second, and fourth Tuesdays. So we're coming up on a fourth Tuesday, so we're going to have our conference call. But we're going to talk in this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step. We're going to show you a video, earnwithoutsponsoring.com. We're going to take you over here. I'm going to show you how to order this flyer. You can mail flyers and or a postcard. And the reason I got involved with wealth step by step is an incredible company already. But Greg, our team leader, made us a flyer. Now we've got a 100% duplicatable 100% duplicatable marketing system. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? And Jose Green had said that we almost missed it. But I tell you, it is a income generating miracle, income generating machine. We are sounding an alarm. We are saying, get in now. We're going to show you the benefits of getting in right now and where we are hoping to go over the next year or two in this program. Folks, $10,000 a month is doable. with this program, and you're only paying $28 a month. We're going to show you how to do it, and it's going to be very exciting. So I want to thank all of you again that partnered with me over the last few days. I cannot say enough in these programs, and people are coming in daily. I'm telling you, and I feel every time that I'm just at the beginning of what we're trying to get accomplished in helping others. Zig Ziglar had it right, helping other people get what they want, and you can have everything in life that you want. Hit that like button so when you hit that like button, when I upload videos, it'll come up in your feed and it'll show you more of my videos. So great things are definitely happening. Well, step by step, folks, it is a financial miracle. We're going to show you what I want you to do when you get a chance. I want you to listen to this 24/7 messages. This flyer, you're going to be mailing it. How do you get that flyer? Up under the videos, up under all my videos, I'm going to have information on where you can get your flyers, your postcards, and all that good stuff for Wealth Step by Step. Let me show it to you. You can go here and you can join Wealth Step by Step up under the video. Earn without sponsoring. Check that video out. You can order your flyers. This is the flyer that I was talking about with Greg. It's under the video. All the detailed information that you need to run your step-by-step business will be up under my videos. And you can go there. Even if you want to order some postcards over there at the Postal Annex. Jose informed me that let me show you, at the Office Annex, I apologize. The Office Annex has the postcard. Here we go. Well, step by step. Look at all these great postcards, folks, all these programs that we're in. There's our Home Cash Flow Solutions. I'm mailing that postcard. That thing's incredible. Where is the other? Look at that, folks. That's the Easy Money System. Y'all know I'm marketing that. Here is the Supreme Profit System. Folks, I'm still mailing all these businesses. This is what dreams are made of. When you have multiple streams of income coming all in at one time. You know, you join these programs, you're always a member for life. Absolutely exciting times. Let me calm down and get back to Wealth Step by Step. But if you want to get this flyer explains the 3x7 forced matrix all the way down through 7 levels. Once you go down through these levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're going to be at 6,000 on the 7th level. But if you add them all up, you're going to be at $9,873, maybe a little bit more, and then that $10,000 per month. And it's true synergy. You're going to be getting spillover. You're going to be getting help from your sponsor's sponsor, because if your sponsor is up there, like Greg is our team leader, everything Greg does and the people that is around him is going to spill down through his matrix. It's going to eventually meet in with our team, our personal team. Jose has bought some heavy hitters on. Jose has sponsored like 3 people. His team has exploded to over 30 some people, and he only put 3 in. True synergy. You're getting help above you and below you. And everybody in that matrix is a part of your business. Once you get this started, it will take on a life of its own if you understand how matrices work. Because all everybody can have on their first level is 3 people. 9 people on the second level. 3 on, 27 on the third level. And it forces down. Folks, this is income done right. This Wealth Step by Step is an income generating machine. Again, pause this video. Listen to the recorded call that has been put together for us. And folks, what Greg called, you could easily build this team with this direct mail flyer for Wealth Step by Step. You decide to partner with us, folks, it's just $28. You're going to get a email autoresponder and a lead capture page. And what is the product? The product is email autoresponders. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. And capture pages. When you join, folks, you can type your website here, your name, your phone number on the flyer, and you're off to the races. This is the marketing arm. This is the marketing system. If you can mail this flyer, you can make. It's possible to make $10,000 plus per month. It is possible. Won't happen overnight. Absolutely not. But over time, can it happen? It can happen. So we're excited about that. Well, step by step, here's our You're going to get your site here. It shows the pay plan. Well, it talks about our products, customers, our marketing, you know, how to market the program, videos. Got some videos, creating wealth and time freedom. Everybody going to get a website like that. This is Timothy Thomas's website. Look at that. There's his cell phone number, folks. I will write that number down. If you need to ask questions, you can get a hold of me personally. Here's my cell. I don't show that out a lot because I only want serious folks, you know, calling me. But hey, I don't mind taking a phone call when somebody has a question. Wealth step by step, folks. This is the strategy. Get this postcard. And again, up under the video, you'll go down here and yourplantowealth.com. You're gonna come over there. You're gonna put your email address in right here. If you put your email address in here, our team leader Greg will keep you informed, updates as to changes, updates, what's going on with Wealth step by step. So you're gonna definitely want to put your email in here and submit it. You can click here to download your flyer. There's a Zoom call that they're holding every Monday night, 9 p.m. Eastern, and it's all right there. There's your meeting code. So we're excited. Again, let's go back over to the Office Annex. Here is the postcard that Billy had made up for Wealth Step by Step. What I want to highlight in this video, there is a website up under the video, earnedwithoutsponsoring.com. This is to introduce a new pay plan, 3-year-old company. We pay a lot for you to participate in our team build. Let's look at this video here. When you get a chance, for the sake of the video, I'm not going to talk about this whole website. It's going to take several videos to talk about this thing because I can go on for hours and hours and hours about this thing. Earn up to $118,000 per year, even if you make no sales. Earnedwithoutsponsoring.com. I'm coming down a little bit. In these videos, I can kind of get loud, and I don't want to get too hyped up. But it is just that exciting to show how simple financial freedom can be, taking a little bit of action, going where you want to go, doing what you want to do, living life. If you're on a job, if you're struggling, if you need more income, folks, put flyers, put systems of duplication, put all this stuff to work, make money work for you. If you're out there working for money, turn that thing around. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Hit the like button. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? And make this stuff work for you. For each $30 sale, you're going to get a $25 fast start, plus $3 to $7 each month in residuals for this earnings that you're going to get. Folks, this is a beautiful compensation plan. When you get the subscription, here are some more videos you can check out, earnedwithoutsponsoring.com. Let's check out the video, and then I'm going to close this video out. Join this program today. Let me start this video up.
Use our $30 per month worldwide subscription with benefits for only $30 per month. This company has been doing business worldwide for 3 years. The company website of the person who invited you has the details about legal aspects, subscription and digital product benefits, and coming discounts. It takes an income of over $100,000 a year to qualify to buy a new home. We may be able to help people who want to get those earnings to buy a home or other needs. This video is about how we are helping people. Very knowledgeable business people over the years have said you need to have residual income to be secure. You can get this by having $1 million in savings and earning 5% annual return. This gives you $50,000 per year to live on. Or you can have a residual income business. We offer a unique opportunity that can develop into over $100,000 per year, starting with a subscription that costs only $30 per month. Some people want the earnings from our team building but don't want to actively sell the subscription. Others do want to sell many, and this can fill the pay structure of the ones who just want to maintain their subscription. Some want to sell many because they receive $25 fast start earnings for each subscription they sell, and faster buildup of their residual earnings. People who don't want to sell...
Team, hold on for a second. I'm going to speed this up. Hang on tight. Let me not speed it up, but I'm going to turn the volume up.
Sell but do want income are patient for a few months. This gives the upline selling distributors time to begin to fill positions in their 3x7 pay plan structure. You are placed at the top of a 3x7 matrix structure in your sponsor's structure. You earn from people in your structure placed by your upline distributors and working distributors under you. You can earn $118,000 per year as your matrix fills. You earn this even if you don't sell any subscriptions, but just maintain your subscription. You can be paid $3 per month to $7 per month for all the subscriptions that come into your structure. Your structure is filled by two types of people: those who don't want to sell and just use the subscription if they like, and distributors who want faster earnings from our $25 fast start earnings for each subscription sold. In the process, distributors also find other distributors. This is like finding a diamond under a rock. This is a symbiotic relationship between those who don't sell and those who do. If everyone made 3 sales in a month, the 3x7 matrix would fill in 7 months and be worth $118,000 per year. There you go. For more product and pay plan details, see a recorded webinar at WSBSslides.com. Get your questions answered and get into our unique team build structure as soon as possible. Thanks for listening.
Team, this is a true team build strategy. EarnWithoutSponsoring.com. When you get a chance, guys, look at this video 2 or 3 times. Go down, enjoy this website, enjoy how you can earn from our commission structure, how it works, and super simple. Mail your way, share your way to 10 grand per month with a super simple system. And I tell you what, people are getting excited about the synergy. They're getting excited about what we have. They're excited about this flyer. They're excited that there's no selling, no telling, no explaining. Just mail and share the opportunity, or just get in, and our team is going to build around you. Folks, that's my time for today. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Listen to the recorded call and get started today. That's my time for today. I'm a little over, but have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next step-by-step video. This is an income generating machine and a miracle.